Maima wakwaba and founder Ghana and Sem TVDH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Miriam Ghana for yet in tough for Nankasa PC. Yeah, Mimi Brusa. I have the right to talk about my Upper East and Abokoso Upper West. Mema Mikuru Mukurano, Ultimatum, which I'm sure would refer to Mamprusi. Tima Meno Mukurama if you concord until almost because a Mamprusi for no cry or monanano. But on the serious note, I'm highly disappointed in my northern brothers. Yes, very disappointed. We have a lot of ministers from the northern region. But still, what's that last man to call with AC? Huh? Mama Yaga can wear more, but you know what? Because the parents from both sides. First, then they cast and tap for your home to say the more your enemies of progress. I'm really ashamed. What are you fighting for, my brothers? Makonya na moko sika ben na wa ho money ben na wa ho sika ben na wa akonwa no ho te se Otumfuo akonwa te se Mamprusi akonwa sika ben na wa ho a moko ntokwa enti mutimi tena so once and for all and settle and the police station kura wo boko you say ya je ho na a police station. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, sack all the people. Because I see them Mamprusi for no mugon. Pamo money na omo soldier police for no soldier from. Pamo money na na for be was out go on money mono omo. And I would say correct your friend say to 12 them kwala no mo bro omo be steady. Why did to no ma omo? I was interior minister. Honorable Muntaka. Please. Why did to no come omo ko santa kwano? And for the business. And then enede mo ankasa mutumi settle mu ho yakwa kopo Otumfuo acho se omra be settle mu. Shame on you people. Shame. What is this? What are you fighting for? And so that there is no money. Huh? That man who say Otumfuo opoku etoye na ya prepare for the second one that and e go fa kokudua and e dey be see so. Etu Otumfuo say tutu. Ansa na wotena say aye ne brother na yie. Mo de wo hina wo ba sika bobbo no ho kura no mo ko akonwa no ho. Mo ko akonwa no ho. Adai my northern brothers. Afena be cha mo mema sem. Mo afena mo makeka bensem. De mu ye development ben obi de be ba krom ho. No makwa akwa no. Ye say mama ye gafi mo akwa akwa. And now my soul sister ye kum ne brother. Yet me refie me say akwa shife ne kum ni po mo ho no nyina. Who me say mutaka we de me si ukon so. Chukon kwa read odi to no bra wo mo krofo de ye business because to e kura wo mo no Ghana police ni bi, Ghana armed forces ni bi. So who supply them that weapons? Ade. And they be turning upside down. Be turning upside down because I see the chieftaincy. What kind of chieftaincy? Chieftaincy without money, without gold, without diamond, with neat. And a fool keke, mutimi ne fool. Because you fool baba bekum. This is when I'm open my life. Mo pese de bia, this say about south west wakaya yo, me boa. Yes, wakaya yo, munim de kaya for mo da abotino. Omo repun krofo, munim de omo de ye wo mo. Ye di bi ko de kwaya rituals na asefo. Enti mutimi sit down one day and 10K. Mutimi tena so one day and 10K. What? Edia Mamprusi ne friend say kusase difference be no chiachi o say mo kontokwa aba ebe ma to adon kwala na ababu mo. His Excellency, with all due respect, jikroman for no omo police ni na go for be from the south na any friend say soldier for no be gu krom hono omo ne nya omo lashes Mama careful si kromo ho. Chebe me bia bono. Ade. Disgrace. My northern brothers. Moka say yanke nyiche mana ibe kike bia kire mo. Obi akasa ye jimi o, obi akasa cheni abo. Emo aniema na moye no. Emo aniema na moye. What you people are doing is animals. Yes. Even animals are wiser than you people. Yes. Kotokwana mo kono at the end of the day en fa hwema mutu go do ho munya bibia ho so ntokwa mo kwan dey aban no so hwe your president e nodna yes yeah interior minister e nodna Education minister and ordinary. Why was you an ordinary? Miss Ramo. No more good anymore. Maka. Miriam Ghana for. Yet in tough for Nankasa Pese. Yeah, Mimi Brusa. I have the right to talk about my book. Upper East and Abokoso Upper West. Mema Mikuru Mukurano. Utmi Nante, which I'm sure would refer to say Mamprusi. Tima Meno Kurama if you concord until almost make us a Mamprusi for no cry or monanano. But on the serious note, I'm highly disappointed in my
Minister, you're a Dr. Frank Amakone, a Shanty General Minister. Matisse mu ombubu di estajomo na be MCU asantemampo esremni sesala ni bia wonti ntra asantemampo nkonukrum. We are not going to tolerate this nonsense again. It's becoming too much. Most of us are tribalistic, but mumba tna ye okrum asa atre de mumpa se yenye mamo momo down. Dr. Frank Amakone, Honorable Minister, metitito mubu di estajomo. That lady no NDC ni obedi MC no and obi ntwe nye hwa asantemampo. What sort of rubbish is this? Wait, no, I want to mark as I do. A santini, no, I want to meme. I could say, Sansemunui. Sabi, a santini, every no, Sabi, Salagao, I could say, Sansemunui. Honorable Minister, please, whether they like it or not, Esther Jomono will be the MC. John Tiasi or Santaman Pobi or yes, Sabi, Salani, or yes, Remini, or young when anyone wants Tiasi, the Uncle Krum. Asante land belongs to Asantes. And we are not going to tolerate this nonsense again. Because hey, too much. You come you chop mama and see it. One of them say MC. How dare you? Who bondo? Kokrum kokasachi okrum fono. Kokrum. No kasachi okrum fono. Nedino kwawtin say o kasakwasa akatwi. What's Asante mampon? Katwi. Some person Asante be MC. Some of us no. We were trained yet to say and can someone can catch Ramono. But I'm on Santaman, no moon, some who, Mupum, Probano, or MC, you know. Whether you guys like it or not, Esther Jomona, I made it in the or no one a MC was Santaman. It is some human, some tantino. And I'm going to be able to come out of Kruma. I don't blame you people. Me blame you, Santafona. Me blame you, I don't blame you people. Rubbish. General Minister, you're a Dr. Frank Amakone, a Shanty General Minister. Matisse,
yeah. Me who ade bi wo media no so na me pese be ka mo nkakra. Asante Mampo. Yes, MC or DC, yeah. Ma me bi si o yes sale ni on premier fa asante ni so. Ba cho me kan say we into ni pa bitrim yi. Woman, who to me my tenant e wo me landlord bi fi. E me kire me nya wo pese wo ye. Wo ti da me ka kire wo no. Sa mo nkofo na mo hia na mo ye da meeting. Ye pese ye tro. E di bread the commander there. Peacefully. And better for you people. Some will be free krumo. Muntia San Mekani. Some Kia Santi assassins. Muslim pass and things will be Yusuf. A simple. Ye try Breno. As soon as you can so, some monk of one video near capture. Mono will be free mampon krumu. I tell you. This is the time Mamu. More than you made the agorama. Mapamu for Matoni Bema. Munkubusa as a Korean upon him. Munko be quite Namkubusa. It will happen at Asante Mampo. But Timasa says to him, feel won't person me do now, won't do so. I mean, maybe do so, says Alana. Yeah, let me tell you one thing. There was some cophobia, there was some notness beer. They be in the lane, they respect themselves and whatsoever. These people, they can see for moon and to aside. But Mona, my wife, you to perform more than will be annoyed. There, you guys, you are not even a bit. What did I make? They say, we are coming back again, and to you people, we a simple message to you guys. May party office in Yama machine no found because politics may family ship. But so far as I found Asante Hono, I am telling you people there. May come a to say, you should prepare. The Asante youth, ye mama pon phone call this every we are doing it in the legal manner. I am telling you this. I know Sebus, Anna. You write to your corpus. See, a better possible, not a zone will never on Kurani be free. Said the yes of Korean Pona, it will come on. Because